Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Chainalysis for crypto compliance, beginner guide step by step clearly. Download the Chainalysis software from the official website. Install the software on your computer by following the provided instructions. Open the Chainalysis application. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a strong password. Verify your email by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Log into your Chainalysis account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which provides an overview of your crypto activities. Navigate to the compliance section for insights on regulatory requirements. Upload your transaction data by clicking on the designated Upload button. Select the file format that matches your transaction records. Analyze the uploaded data for any flagged transactions or compliance issues. Review the risk score assigned to each transaction. Utilize the filtering tools to sort transactions by risk level. Generate detailed reports on flagged transactions for your compliance team. Explore the educational resources available within the software. Attend any webinars or training sessions offered by Chainalysis for deeper insights. Stay updated on compliance regulations by regularly checking the Chainalysis blog. Engage with the community to share best practices and learn from others. Adjust your compliance protocols based on the insights gained from the analysis. Conduct regular audits of your crypto transactions using Chainalysis tools. Ensure your team is trained in using the software effectively for ongoing compliance efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.